Hello class. In this video, we'll fill text into graphics and we'll create this handcraft style illustration. So first, I downloaded this penguin photo from the internet and then I put it in the layer panel and lock the layer so I can use it as a reference for drawing and create a new layer. And we'll start with the pen tool. And for the stroke, here I will pick up a green color. For fill color, let's disable it. And let's start to draw from the mouth. And when you click on the second point, just hold and drag, and you'll create this curve. And you don't have to be very accurate. Just follow the outline and create a rough result. When you're done, you'll have this shape. All right. And now we can turn off the stroke, and we'll go to the fill color, and we can fill it with a black color. And then we can drop down its opacity. So the next thing I want to do is basically I will cut this piece into two pieces. And for the right side, I'll stay with the black color. This side I'll fill with white color. So we'll go to the eraser tool, click, hold, and we'll switch to light. And we can draw from this line, right? And inside here. As you can see that once you're done, it will add a line here. And if you switch to selection tool, deselect first, and you can grab these two pieces. So now they are separated, right? You can go ahead and fix some glitches. For example, here I can go to the pen tool and use the delete anchor point tool, and I can just click on that. So that will fix that issue. And same thing for the other one, the delete anchor point tool and delete it. All right, works great. And then we can select this piece and we can use the light tool and we can cut through here since the food I want it to fill with the black color. All right, so now we can select this whole thing and turn on its opacity to 100%. And we can select this piece and we can change the fill color and give it as a white color. Here's how it looks. All right, and then we can start to type text. This is the type tool. You can see melting. Okay, select the whole thing. So here for the font size, I will do maybe 50. And for the font style, I can do Arial black. So it is a little bit thicker. Okay, and then I can use the selection tool and duplicate this word. And with the type tool, you can type C. Okay, so I will say melting sea ice. All right, so this is what I'm going to type. So each word is separated, right? So I can edit them. However, I think instead of use the black color, maybe I can give it a different color. So select all of them and let's pick up a color that could be easier for us to find. So I'll do maybe greenish color. All right, you can select the text and then you can go to Object, Envelope Distort, and apply Make with Mesh. And the setting for the row, just type 1, and for the column, just do 3, and this will create this column. And then you can select this whole thing, and we can position it here, and put your mouse on the right top corner, we can rotate it, and scale it. And then we can switch to the direct selection tool. Then we can ramp the text, right? Okay, we got the first matter in here, and then you can use the second one and use the same tool. Go to Object, go to Envelope Distort, Make with Mesh, and here's the setting. And I'll do OK, and then rotate it and change it size a little bit. And then we can use the direct selection tool to pose it, let it match with the mesh. Okay, so just repeat this process. Once you finish, it will like this. And then we can grab and select all of the text we have typed. Hold on Shift, so we can deselect the graphics we draw earlier. Here and deselect here. All right, and we can move and just double check if we are selecting the right thing. So select all of these and go to Object and go to Expand. Make sure you check on Object and Fill and click on OK. So basically this will transfer the text into shapes. As you can see now, each of the text is actually formed by these vertices. Right, so this is the shape. And then next step, we'll grab this whole thing, and select this black color piece. And we'll go to Pathfinder, and we'll click on minus brown. As you can see that it kind of hollow this black color piece with the text. Okay, same thing for this side. Grab all this text, and then grab the whiteboard and minus brown, and this will cut it. Alright, so now we're done with this photo, we can hide it, and this is the graphics, how it looks. And we can create another layer under our penguin, right? And we can use the rectangle tool, and we can choose a fill color. For example, if I do light blue color, and we can draw this area. Okay, so this will be the background. And next step, we'll apply the handcraft style onto the drawing. So here I got a scratch texture. There's a lot of places you can find it online, or if you want to create it by yourself. And once you're done, you'll just hit Command C to copy this pattern back to the penguin scene, select the background, go to the appearance panel, and go to the fill color, and click on the opacity. Now this is the layer, and this is the mask. So we'll just click on make a mask, and by default is filled with a black color, and we can click to reverse it. And then click on this mask. So we are in the mask. And then you can just go back to the scene and Command V to paste. Alright, it's a bit big, so we can scale it down, something like that. And then if I deselect, this is how it looks. So basically it masks out the blue color we draw earlier, right? And then we can go back here, just click on opacity again. You can see that now the pattern we copied is in the mask. And now we can select the layer, and then we can go back to the layer panel. We'll be able to select other layers. So this time we'll lock the background, and then we'll go to the penguin layer. And we can grab the whole thing and right click and group it. And then go to appearance and click on the opacity and make a mask. And we can also flip the mask. Right? Make sure you select the mask. And go back to the scene and paste the pattern we created and scale it down. You can hold down Shift key to keep its proportion, and then we can match it vertically. So if I deselect, you can see now the mask also apply to the penguin layer. Alright, so this is the whole workflow of how you can fill text into the pattern and how you can generate this handcrafted style artwork.